Fine. I am Vijayalakshmi. In our previous class, we are discussing factors, prime factorization, LCM and HCF. What the methods of LCM and HCF. Today, we are discussing relationship between the LCM and HCF. Relationship between the LCM and HCF. So, let us see. Relationship between the LCM and HCF. Here I want to take the example 18 and 27. 18 and 27. Here factors of 18 equal to, how can you write? 2 into 3 into 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 6 3s are 18. Here 27 also. Write the factors of 27. Means 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So, in these two digits, find the LCM. What is the LCM? How to find the LCM? Here, LCM of these two numbers. Among all these factors, which is the common factors? 3 3 3 3. So 3 into 3 into remaining numbers is also added to the multiplying into this number. So answer is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 2s are 52. So this is the LCM. LCM is equal to, which is the common factors and the remaining factors, multiplying this number, we will get the answer is 54. So we have to find the LCM, and how to find the HCF of these numbers. HCF equal to, these numbers means 18 and 27. How to find? It is the common numbers only. Here we have to take common numbers. 3 into 3. 3 into 3 equal to 9. So HCF of 18 and 27 equal to 9. 18 HCF is equal to 9. So here the product of LCM and HCF equal to 18 into 27. 18 into 27 will get the answer is 486. 486. What do you notice? We see that product of the two numbers, product of the LCM, product of the HCF is equal to product of two numbers. What is the notice? Product of LCM into product of HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Product of numbers. If you see clearly, product of LCM into product of HCF is equal to product of two numbers. If you find the for example, in the given question, how to find the only one number? How can you write? So product of one number equal to LCM into HCF by product of another number. LCM into HCF by product of another number. If in case find the HCF, what we have to do? HCF is equal to product of two numbers by two numbers by LCM. If in case you have to find find this LCM, what we have to do? LCM is equal to product of two numbers by HCF. In this way, we have to find, by using these formulas, we have to find the given problem solution. Let's see. By using these concepts, we have to do the some problems. Exercise number 3.6. Exercise number 3.6. Exercise number 3.6. First one, find the LCM and HCF of the following numbers. Find the LCM and 15, 24. Coming to second one, 8, 25, and also the check the relationship. Let's see how to find the LCM of 15 and 24. 15, 24. Start with 2. Which number is divisible? 15, 12. Third term is divisible by 2 numbers. So 3 5s are 15. 4 3s are 12. So what of the LCM of 15 and 24 equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 4. 2 3s are 6. 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. 30 into 4, 120. So LCM is 120. 120. So find the LCM is also find. We have to find the LCM and next HCF. How to find HCF? By using the division method, easy for you. So we have to find the LCM of 15, HCF of 15 and 24. How to find HCF? We already know. Which is the smallest number in the divisor? Which is the highest number is divisible by smallest number. So 24, 1, 15, 15. Remainder is 14 minus 5, 9. And remainder is divisible by the divisor 15. 1 9s are 9. 6. Remainder is divisible by 9. 9. 1 6 are 6. 3. Remainder is divisible by divisor 3. 2 3s are 6. Remainder is 0. Until we will get the 0, we have to repeat this process. So HCF is 3. So LCM is 120. So LCM and HCF is both. LCM is equal to 120. HCF is equal to 3. So next, how to check the relation? So find the product of the 15 into 24. So 4 5s are 20. 2, 4, 6, 10, 2, 2, 4, 16. Product of 15 into 24 is equal to 4. Sorry. 1 2 2, 3. Sorry. 360. So how to find the relation means the product of the 12 into 15 into 24 is equal to 360. LCM into HCF is equal to 120 into LCM into HCF 3, 3, 6, 3. The both are equal. So in this way we have to find the relationship. Check with second number, second sum. Let's do the second sum. 25. Find the LCM and HCF of these numbers and also check the relationship. So 8, 25. Which table is divisible? Fifth table. 8, 5, 5. So 8 is also same. 1, 5. So 8 5s are 40. The LCM is equal to 5 into 8 into 5. 8 5s are 40. 40 into 5 equal to 20. So 200 is the LCM. LCM is equal to 200. Find their HCF. Which method you have to find the HCF? Division method, easy for you. So HCF is equal to highest number is divisible by smallest number. Oh, 24. 3 8s are 24. 1 remainder. 8. 1 8s are 8 8s are sorry. 1 8s are sorry. 8 8 1s are 8. Remainder is 0. So HCF is equal to 1. HCF is equal to 1. So product out find how to find the relation? 8 product of the two numbers. Product of given two numbers is 25 into 8. 8 5s are 40. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 4 200. HCF is equal to sorry. LCM into HCF is equal to what is the LCM? 200. HCF is equal to 1. So 200. So product of the two numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. So in this way, how to find the LCM and HCF and also find the relation this way. Let's check with second sum. Second sum. If the LCM of two numbers is 216 and their product is 77776, what will be its HCF? Here already given LCM and the product. Find their HCF. So given product LCM is 216. HCF their product is product is 3776. We have to find the HCF. How to find HCF? Well, we already know some of the few problems on the relationship between the LCM and HCF products. So HCF is equal to product of two numbers by LCM. So HCF is equal to product of two numbers value is 776 by LCM value is 216. 216. So how many times 216 means how many times it divisible by LCM 776 36 times. 36 times it is divisible by 776 by 216. So HCF is equal to 36. Let's go to the third one. Third sum. The product of two numbers is 3276. If their HCF is 6, find their LCM. Third sum is also same, but in this product, it is in this sum given product of two numbers and HCF, find their LCM. So product of two numbers, the value is product of two numbers value is 216. Sorry, 3276. HCF is 6. Find their LCM. Find their LCM. all are know the LCM is equal to product of two numbers by LHCF. So product of two numbers value is equal to 3276 by HCF value 6. So let's see, 3276 6. 5 6 are 30, 27, 4 6 are 24, 3, 6 times 36, 6 6 are 36, 0. So how many times it is divisible? 546. So LCM value is 546. LCM value is 546. Let's see fourth sum. Check with fourth sum. The HCF of two numbers is 6 and their LCM is 36. If one of the number is 12, find the other. You already know some of the formulas. So in this problem, HCF of two numbers is given and LCM is given. If one number is also given, find the other number. So HCF is HCF of two numbers is how much? 6. LCM of two numbers is two numbers is how much? 36. One of the number is 12. We have to find another number. So we already know the formula. Product of one number equal to LCM into HCF by product of one number. So LCM into HCF, LCM value is 36 into HCF value 6 by product of one number is 12. So 36 into 6. 6 6 are 36, 3. 6 3 are 18, 19, 20, 21. 216 by 12. How many times? 216 by 12. 112, 12. 11. 11 minus 2, 9. 9, 6. So how many times? 5 times, huh? 480. Times. Sorry. How many times? 18 times. So product of the one number value is 18. Hopefully all are understand that by using the relationship between the LCM and HCF concept, doing these problems, all are understand